Crude oil traded beautifully bullish and it has hit the market $70 levels, the crucial levels here. Yesterday, I had mentioned very clearly that once it trades above 68.8, 69 zone, we can expect 69.6 and beyond that 70 is the next target. Can we expect a more bullish move towards 71.5, 72.5 from here? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and drop. And see, it is important to note that natural gas is also uh, seen the lows at around $3 levels yesterday again. I have mentioned that you can sell here at 3.09 itself and expect it to move towards 3.02. I hope you all profited there as well. What to expect now from oil and gas today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators, do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade. Trade with profit, trade with logic, trade with confidence. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil, followed with net gas. Watch till the look at the hourly charts here. What has happened after consolidating here? Now see 67.8, 68 zone we have mentioned several times is going to remain a good support. What has happened after hitting lower lows here? Now oil has breached this and it is trying to move towards the highs. Now it is very important to note that any move now above 71.4, 71.5 zone is a clear sign of more bullishness. What's happening here? After the rise here, now the prices are consolidating. It can in fact try to retrace, but I will not expect a reversal here. The important thing to note here is the inventory data getting released today, which is definitely bring going to bring lot much of volatility here in the oil prices. It can in fact completely reverse, though the chances for this happening appears to be less. Now what's happening, another point to note here, it is right now consolidating after a good rise and the support levels. Now see, previously the resistances are now going to be the support, which means 69.6, 69.3, and 69 are the three levels it need to break in order to turn bearish today. Now the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish. Stochastic rising. Now see the MACD. This is important to note. After a stronger rise, now the MACD has crossed over, and this calls for a little retracement. Now notice this rise, consolidation, rise. Now it is trying to retrace here. So a possible little retracement on the downside can be expected here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart. Similar observation, the crossover here is very important. The double top is important here and the flat top as well. So now if you see oil trading above 70.2 levels, you can initiate a buying entry and wait for it to break beyond 70.5 levels and 71.5 levels. If these three levels are taken, you can say now oil is reversing. Moving averages crossing over here is a very good sign for the bulls. But what we are observing in oil, if you look at the move here, the bullishness is always short lived, though this time the bearishness is also short lived here. Now, if you connect the dots here, I'll show you something on the daily charts. But before that, let's have a look here. See, right now the prices are consolidating after a good rise. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is in green trying to converge, the RSI is very near to the top. On the 3 hour chart, the observation is similar. These two candles are very important and see higher lows. So now, in fact, even if you see it is staying above 70.2, you can expect a further rise. Yes, it can deliver another round of breakout. However, I see that after a stronger rise, prices might try to retrace or consolidate. Now, on the downside, very important to note, the support levels here till 67.8 are very strong and do not treat oil as bearish as long as 67.8 is not taken. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI is flat at top. On the 4 hour charts, when similar observation here on the 4 hour charts, wait for a breakout here, wait for a breakout which will confirm a move on the upside here. Right now the prices are under consolidation, the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. Again, this is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, when you see the daily chart, see what did we discuss yesterday. Oil has been trading in the box for a while, and the support levels here towards 66.5, 67 are very strong, and 68, 67.8 are very strong. What has happened here after retracing towards yesterday, we have seen a very good bullish candle. Now remember, this is the first one in the series. It can deliver a second one, and then we can expect it to break beyond 72.5. If it does trade beyond 72.5, remember my targets are towards 75 and 76. Beyond this, we are looking forward to a stronger move on the upside. Moving averages here have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic rising, MACD again has crossed over C triple bottom. A crossover here can lead to a complete reversal. RSI rising. So, looking at this, first, where to buy? And before I provide you the levels here, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, I'll recommend you to buy oil at 69 point 70.1 70.2 zone. Expect it to move beyond 70.5, 70.6, and if this is taken, then 71.3 71.4 level should appear. Any move beyond 71.3 71.4 stay bullish, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 72.5, and any move beyond 72.5 today tomorrow, you can just stay bullish for 75 levels very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 69.6, 69.4, or see 69.6 itself you can sell, but then 69.3, 69.4 should be the first target. 69, 68.8 should be the second, and then 68.5, 68.45 the third. If this is taken, then you can say now the bears are back at 68, and 67.8 will be seen. Below 67.8, we are expecting a stronger correction where 67, 66.5 to be taken. Chances for such a strong reversal appears to be less. I am still looking forward to more bullishness, just waiting for it to break out. On the upside, the critical resistance is at 70.5, 70.4 now, and then 71.4. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas traded bearish, as I have mentioned yesterday, that it is coming out of this support levels, and now we can look forward to a move towards $3. What has happened? It has come towards $3, and it is now again trying to trade bearish. Now, important thing to note here is a gap down and the bearish move here. It is trading in this channel. The highs of the channel now are at 3.1. So only reversal confirmation in natural gas is if and only if it trades above 3.1. Moving average is trading bearish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has formed a triple bottom. It is trying to cross over for a buy. The RSI is oversold here. Coming to 2 hour, here on the 2 hour charts as well. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Also notice the prices are just consolidating. Wait for it to give a breakout. Any move below 2.98, you can take a sell for 2.95, and below that we can expect 2.9 levels. Now, what we were discussing here, see, there were gaps which are yet to be filled by natural gas on the downside, and now the next gap is available till towards 2.75. Remember, this is the beginning of the month, and now gas prices are retracing. It can reverse. In fact, as long as 2.5 is not taken, we are not treating nat gas as bearish. Remember, this is natural gas. It can do wonders. Yes, it can do wonders. Hitting the lows at 2.75, filling the gap again, it can reverse and rise in the month of December itself. Moving averages are trading with divergence as of now. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD is bearish. RSI is oversold as well. On the 3 hour, the same observation. The crossover here is important. The prices are turning bearish. This is important. Even if it tries to retrace now, 3.1 and 3.15 are the two levels which it need to break in order to turn bullish today. Stochastic oversold, MACD is at bottom, and RSI is oversold here as well. On the 4 hour, the observation is same. The moving averages have crossed over here. Bearish sign it is, and it appears for the near term nat gas might trade bearish within this channel here. The lows of the channel are now for the day are towards 2.84 and 2.85 zone. Till 2.75, there is a possibility of a slight retracement where it can fill the gap and reverse. Yes, it has come towards an oversold zone on the indicators part here. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, drop, and this is the first one in the series. If it breaks now today below 2.98 and 2.95, we are looking forward to a greater down move. Remember this fact where we can expect 2.9, 2.88, and then 2.8, 2.75 levels here. Remember, after this double bottom, net gas has given a breakout. It is trying to fall back within the zone. It can stay in the zone, hitting the median, filling the gap. It can bounce back up again. Right now, I'll still not treat this as bearish. Yes, on the daily charts, as long as net gas respects 2.75, we should be treating this in a bullish channel, and prices can reverse from these levels. Stochastic oversold MACD. Now see, MACD has crossed over here, forming twin peak. It is trading with divergence, and it is possible that it can trade bearish, hitting the lows. RSI has dropped here as well. So looking at this, very, very simple. First thing is where to buy. I'll recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying now above 3.05 levels. Beyond this, expect 3.08, 3.1 as the first target, 3.15 as the next. Any move beyond 3.15, treat this as a reversal, and then we can expect 3.2, 3.3 and higher levels. I do not expect this to happen today, but yes, a little retracement is what you can expect. Though right now the stance is pretty much bearish, and if you see natural gas trading below 2.98, take a sell for 2.95, 2.9 levels, and then 2.9, 2.88, very, very crucial here. Then 2.84 and 2.8, and then 2.75. Possible retracement towards 2.75, filling the gap. We can expect a bounce back and a recovery. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. And do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.